Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We'll see how to print this kind of star pattern. Okay, so you are seeing some red symbol because there is syntax issue, right? That's why we are seeing. But you can understand, right, how we can print this kind of star pattern. Basically, here is one star, then in the second row there are two stars, in the third row there are three stars, in the fourth row there are four stars, then in the fifth row again 5 stars, again maybe in the sixth row you can give 6 more stars. Okay, so this can change also, right? Another star like this. So this kind of pattern, how you can draw it, right, through a Python program. We will see that. Okay, so this total number of row, right, this is not constant. How many rows you want, you can add. Again you can add 7th row also. Okay, so don't worry, I'll tell you how you can add more number of rows. Even if you want to do it only for these 4 rows, you can do it also. For now, let me just comment it out. So yeah, so don't worry about this hash, because this is the commentary line. Mainly we need to see this star pattern. Okay, how the star is getting formed here. Okay, so I'll tell you. First let's write the program, then I will explain you each and everything. Okay, so the very first thing, we will take one variable, that is number. Okay, so num equal to, so here you see there are 4 rows. Okay, so we will take the, we will assign the value as 4, but again we will do the user input, so you can insert how many rows you want. Okay, you can give the data and you can print it. I'll show you while executing the program, don't worry for now. Okay, then what we will do, we will write a for loop for I in range. So you know this is how we write our for loop, right? So here what you can do, in range you can write 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, so here, okay, this is num we have taken, right? Okay, let me put num. Okay, so here what we are writing, for I in range 1 comma num plus 1, means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Basically we are taking 1 to 5 range. Then we will write another for loop. I will say why we are taking 2 for loops. Don't worry, just wait for a minute. Okay, for j in range, what you will say here, 1 comma I plus 1. Okay, then what you will write, you will write print. Okay, then you put the star, whatever you wanted to put, right, star, then comma end equal to space. Okay, I'll tell you why you are writing this also, just wait for a minute. Then another print statement. Okay, that's all, your program is done now. Let me execute. See, you can see this star pattern. Okay, then how it is getting executed? If you want to make it 5, you can do that also. Okay, if you want to make it 3, you can do that also. Okay, okay, let me explain you how this is printing, right? So first of all, we have taken one variable, one integer variable, that is number, and we have assigned the value as 3. Okay, then what we are telling, we have taken 2 for loops. One is for I in range, this one, and then another for loop is for j in range. So one for loop basically is for your column and one for loop is for your rows. Okay, so basically here you are seeing, right, one column, and so this is the column and this is the row. Okay, so let's start. For I in range, so when we write a for loop, it should start, it should have some range, right? So 1 comma num plus 1, basically, then the range here you can see, the range here is 1 to 3 plus 1 means 4. Okay, so the range here is 1 to 4. So when the range is 1 to 4, it means it will have value 1, 2, 3. 3 times it will get executed. Okay, so for now I value is 1. For I in range 1, okay, it will go inside. Again inside one more for loop. So here we are telling, for j in range 1 comma I plus 1. Okay, let me just remove this space. Okay, for j in range 1 plus I plus 1, it means what is the range here? So the range here is, if I will put like this, range I value is 1. Okay, so 1 comma 1 plus 1 means 2. Okay, it means how many time it will get executed? It will get executed only once, because the range is from 1 to 2. It means j will execute only once. So now we are here, right? J value is equal to 1. What we are telling? Print star. So when j value is equal to 1, print star, it means it printed this star. Okay, then what we did? We added this line. Why we add this line? Basically, if we want to write everything in one line, right, you will provide this, and here we are giving space. So basically star then space. You will understand here when I will come to the second line, you will understand it. But basically why we give this end equal to this one? Because we want to put this one. So basically if I will just put like this, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, let us see. You will see comma everywhere. Let me run it. See, you can see the comma. Okay, that is why I will not put comma, I will make it space only. Okay, so we are here now. Now this line got printed. Okay, then it will go here. Now what is the j range? So j range was only 1. So j range will not be like 2 and all, right, because it was only 1. So this basically this for loop got ended. Okay, now it will come here, it will print this one. This one means it will come to the next line. Basically the cursor will come here. Okay, now the loop will go here. Okay, for I in range 1, because 1 is already executed, for this one we have this line already printed. Now I value will be 2. Now the I value will be 2. Okay, and it will come again inside. Okay, for j in range 1 to I plus 2, it means this range is already done. Now a new range will come, right? So what is that range value? That range value will be, see, j value is equal to 1. It will start from 1 to I plus 1. I plus 1 means I value is now 2. So 2 plus 1 means 3. Okay. So j in range 1 to 3. It means it will execute twice, 1 and 2. Okay. Now it will come here, print star. So when j value is equal to 1, print star. Okay. So it will print this star and then space. It will print this space. Okay, whatever space present here in between these two star. Okay, it will print this space, and again it will go up. And when it will come up here, what is the j value? J value was 1. Now j value become 2, and again it will come down. Print star. Again it printed this star, and then end this space. Then again one more space here, which is not visible, right? Then again it will go up. Now j value is already done, because the range was from 1 to 2. For 1 and 2 it already executed. These two stars got executed. Okay. So basically this loop is completed. Now it will come here, print. Again it will come to this line. Okay, means come to the new line. Okay, and now it will go here, because in this print statement we are not printing anything, right? It is just coming down and it is printing one more. It is creating a new line. That's all. The cursor is moving to the new line. That's all. Nothing else. Again now I will come here. So I, for 1 it is already executed, 2 it is already executed. Now I value will be 3. So I in range 1 to 3. Okay, I in range 1 to I in range 3. So I value is become 3 now, because 1 is already done, 2 is already done. Then now I value is 3. So when I value is 3, it will come inside. For j in range 1 to I plus 1. So 1 is already there, and I plus 1 means I value is 3. So 3 plus 1 become 4. Okay. So what are the values for j? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. It will come here, print star. Okay. So basically it will print this star and then this space, in between this space. Okay. Sorry, this space. Okay, star and this space it will print. Again it will go up. Now j value will become 2. Okay, and again it will come here. It will print what? This star and this space. Basically this star and this space it will print. Okay, again j will come here. Now j value is 3. Okay, it will come down. Again it will print this star and this space and this star. Okay, and now j value is completed, because j range was 1 to 4. For 1, 2, 3 it executed thrice, and these 3 stars printed. Now it will come here, basically the cursor will come here down. Okay. Then what will happen? It will go up. Now I range is also completed because 1, 2, 3 it is already done. So no more, it will not come inside. So your basically your execution is completed. So you understood, right, how this number is playing an important role. So basically when you will make it 4 or you will make it 5, so that many times this range will increase. Okay. So here initially we put the range as 3, that is why it was coming as range 1 to 4, sorry, number as 3, that is why range was 1 to 4. If you will put number as 5, then range will be 1 to 6, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times it will execute. So basically 5 rows it will show. That is why this number plays an important role, how many rows you want to print. If I will put 15, let me execute. See, 15 times it got executed, the star pattern. Okay. So you can give this as an user input also. So for that what you can do, int, you can do input, enter total number of rows you want or something, enter total number of rows for star pattern. Okay. Now let me just execute it. See, here I can put for example 5. See, for 5 times it got printed. Okay. So this is how it is very important. Okay. And this is a very simple program. Let me execute it one more time and let me put it 6 now. See, 6 times it got printed. Okay. I hope this video is helpful for you. So this is how you can write this star pattern program. If you like it, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also do watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python series, Python playlist. Okay, so you can go and watch all those programs. It will be very helpful for your interview. Thank you. Bye bye.